A chef pass with insulated sliding doors transforms service flow by allowing hot dishes to move from kitchen to dining area without blocking walkways. Design the built-in pass-through at counter height between kitchen and dining so servers and family can plate and pick up food without stepping into each other. Use insulated sliding doors made of tempered glass with thermal seals to hold heat while letting you see status, and choose tracks rated for frequent cycling to avoid sagging over time. Integrate a plating counter on the kitchen side that is at least 2 feet deep and runs the length of the pass so multiple cooks can work simultaneously while leaving a clear serving edge on the dining side. Add a dedicated warming station under heat lamps or with a low-profile heated shelf to keep food at the correct service temperature without drying it out, and include a thermostatic control for consistent results. Install a simple wired or wireless intercom or service chime so cooks can announce ready orders without shouting, and route a clear visual indicator such as an LED strip to show occupied or cleared status. Plan electrical, ventilation, and fire safety around the opening so heat loads from lamps do not violate codes. Consult local code guidance and choose materials that meet fire rating requirements. Finish the pass with easy clean materials like stainless steel and sealed stone edges so spills can be wiped quickly and surfaces stay hygienic under heavy family use. 3 common problems are heat loss or food cooling at the handoff, door tracks that bind or fail, and bottlenecks when multiple people try to use the pass at once. Keep food hot by using insulated sliding doors plus a small warming shelf or heat lamps, and avoid overexposure by timing plating to service. Prevent track failure by specifying heavy-duty, low-friction hardware, installing a support header, and doing periodic lubrication and alignment checks. Reduce congestion by designing a double-sided counter depth that creates separate plating and pickup zones, and by training family and staff to circulate rather than stand in front of the opening. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners discover design ideas and local professionals for projects like chef passes with sliding doors, so families can improve service flow in large homes. We list local contractors and host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and connect homeowners and contractors for practical project planning.